Good morning, students. In my previous video, I discussed first 5 paragraphs of how the dog found his master. Now, today I will explain from paragraph number 6. First, I want to read the paragraph for you. They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows. But just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. The cows were moving loudly and running in panic in all directions. Okay, first let us discuss on the new words, important words. Herd of cows, a group of cows. Herd, it's a collective noun. Herd of cows, you know. Moving means sound made by cows. Okay, terrible means horrible. In a panic means a strong feeling of fear. So that is the important words. Now I come to the explanation of this paragraph. So after walking some distance, they noticed a group of cows. Okay. But as they tried to approach them, they were stopped by a horrible noise made by the cows. They were moving aloud and were running here and there because of fear. So after walking some distance, they noticed. That means both of them, okay? The dog and its master, okay? The present master. So they saw herd of cows, but there is a problem. As they tried to approach them, they were stopped by a horrible noise made by the cows. They were moving loud, loud means loudly, and were running here and there because of fear. Next, what happened? Come to the next paragraph. We'll come to know what happened after that. Paragraph number 7. The bear looked out from behind a tree, and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. Now, why did I have to come here? He said to the dog. It is the lion who rules the forest in these birds. The lion? Who is he? Don't you know he is the strongest beast on the earth? Well, then I will say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. That is paragraph number 6, paragraph number 7. So the bear looked out from behind the tree. Okay, so they were coming. The wolf was, the dog was coming with its master bear. So then the bear looked out from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. Then the bear started running hastily deeper into the forest because there's some reason. What is the reason? The reason was that he saw a lion. Okay. So now why did I have to come here? He said to the dog, it's the lion who rules the forest in these parts. The lion, who is he? Don't you know he's the strongest beast on earth? So now the dog came to know that the bear also is afraid of the lion. So again, the dog changed its mind, changed its decision, and he said that I also want to say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. So here is some important words are there. Okay, hastily means hurriedly. Beast, it's an animal behind at the back side of something. Come to the explanation of this paragraph number 7. The bear looked from behind a tree and started running quickly into this dense forest. He told the dog that this part of the forest was ruled by the lion. But the lion, he was the strongest and the most powerful animal on this earth. So, according to bear told the dog that the lion was the strongest and the most powerful animal on the earth, and he was afraid of the lion. The dog was surprised to hear this, and he immediately left the bear, and he decided to look upon his master as the lion. Now come to the next paragraph, that is paragraph number 8. And off the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. The lion agreed to it, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long, long time. It was a good life, and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared touch the dog or offend him in any way. Dared means important words are to be brave enough to do something, offend means upset or annoy. Come to the explanation. Now the dog turned to the lion and requested him to be his master. The lion accepted, and the dog started staying with him and served him for a longer duration. He felt good and enjoyed his life. He had nothing to fear and complain of. Now he was with the strongest master. Was the strongest master? The strongest master was the lion. So the dog thought that he found its master. That means the lion. And he was happy with him also. That means the dog was happy with its master lion also. As there was as no one was brave enough to upset him. Okay, there is no problem also. He felt good and enjoyed his life with the lion. That means as a lion, the lion as his master. Okay, but what happened after that? If we come to paragraph number 9, we'll come to know what happened after that. But one day, the two of them were walking side by side along a path and ran amid bare cliffs when all of a sudden the lion stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such force that a hole formed there. Then he began to back away very quietly. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Who asked? The dog asked the lion. Asked the dog. Surprised. I smell a man coming this way. Smell a man coming this way, the lion said. We'd better run for it or we will be in trouble. Oh, well, then I will say goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. Important words of this paragraph: cliff, a steep, high rock, often at the edge of the sea. Bear, unclothed. Now come to the explanation. What happened? So sometime later, when the two of them means the lion and the dog were strolling. Strolling means walking leisurely together amidst high steep rocks. The lion stopped instantly. He roared aloud and struck the ground with his paws so intensely that a hole was formed there. After that, he was on back foot. Surprisingly, the dog asked his master if anything was wrong. The lion told him that a man was coming their way and that they must run away to save themselves. Hearing this, the dog bid him adieu. That means bid goodbye. Why? Because now the dog came to know that the lion was also afraid of something else or somebody. Okay, because he wanted the strongest being, and as he wanted the strongest being on the earth as his master, so he decided to leave. Okay, decided to bid goodbye to the lion because he came to know that lion was not the strongest animal or strongest animal of this earth. Come to the last paragraph, that is paragraph 10. And off the dog went to join the man, and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long, long ago, but to this day, the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. Important words: loyal, tried and true, faithful. Explanation. Now the dog went to be with the man. He stayed with him and became his tried and true friend. This incident took place way back, but till date, the dog is man's most faithful servant. So thus we come to know. So at last, the dog came to know that lion was also afraid of human being, and at last the dog came to know that the most powerful the most powerful being in this world is human being. Okay, so who is the most powerful? Human being is the most powerful, so he decided to uh, look upon man as his master. Okay, so that is the end of the story. Okay, you read the story. Okay, what you have to do, you have to watch the video. After watching the video, you have to learn the word meaning, the important words. That is a duty. In my next video, okay, next I will explain the question answers of this story. Thank you.